listening. Task type 4.
Hi, Graham. How's your research project going? It's the deadline next Tuesday, isn't it? The 21st of May?
I thought it was Thursday, actually, Lisa. Let me have a look. No, we're both wrong. The deadline is the 21st of May, but that's Wednesday, not Tuesday. Anyway, how's it going?
Well, Graham, I'm struggling a bit with note-taking strategies. You know, knowing what to make a note of and in how much detail, like when I'm doing my background reading.
It helps to be organised, certainly. When I research an item on the outline plan I've made for my research project, I list the points I'd like to include on the plan itself, like stuff I already know, and leave a space for new information I come across as I'm going through my background reading around those points. I can't see the point of setting up a separate file.
Good idea. I'll have to start doing that. I make a note of detailed references like dates, people's names and theories, stuff like that. And I write down any source and page numbers so that I can refer back to it when I write the paper and cite the reference. I mean, that is important. But it's only worth doing if you can find those notes again. I spend half my life searching for stuff.
I use my outline plan for annotations like that too. And I also write any questions I have about the references there as well, so that I remember to follow them up afterwards. My problem is I go too far off my main topic if I'm not careful. Get interested in the details of the stuff I read that have no relevance to my main idea.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Somebody suggested doing a mind map. You know, putting a question inside a circle in the centre of a blank page, and as you branch off of the main idea, making notes in bubbles around it. Then you should be able to connect your ideas together by drawing a straight line from one circle to another. If you can't, then you've wandered off track.
It's a nice idea, but it didn't work for me when I tried it.
Oh, good, because I found the same thing. But one piece of advice I did find useful is about direct quotes. You know, remembering to use your own words, and if you quote someone, to give them proper credit.
Yeah, it's so easy when taking notes just to copy what's written in your source, but you need to avoid using those exact words again when you write up your paper.
Well, you can use a direct quote in your research paper if you believe it's the best way to say it, but you have to make it clear in your notes what's a direct quote and what isn't.
Otherwise, you risk forgetting and accidentally plagiarising someone's work.
That's right. But I think the real value of note-taking is that it gives you the time to learn what it is you're researching, rather than just looking up information and rewriting it in your own words. It allows you to internalise it as you read and write about the new information you're coming across.
Yeah, it's a process that helps you when you begin writing the research paper. It comes more easily than if you hadn't taken notes first. And if you have to do any kind of oral presentation about your research project, the same notes come in handy then too.
Right. I hadn't thought of that. Like when you have to present the stuff in a new form, you go back to your notes. I'll remember that.